Hey everybody, Matt Johnston here, Matt the Lawyer. Earlier this year, I posted a video talking about the Federal Trade Commission's proposed rule to ban non-compete agreements nationwide. That proposed rule is still in the works. The comment period is recently closed, and they have not published a final rule. I do believe that a final rule is going to be likely. There's going to be changes over its proposal, but that's neither here nor there. States are permitted to have their own non-compete legislation and regulations, and Maryland is one of those states where non-compete agreements for lower wage workers have been prohibited for quite some time. The Maryland General Assembly just finished their 2023 session, and one of the laws that they passed made some changes to that non-compete rule or law. The primary change is that the non-competes will be prohibited for anybody who is making less than 150% of the minimum wage. So starting January 1, the minimum wage in the state of Maryland is going to be $15 per hour. So anybody who is making $22.50 or less per hour is not going to be subject to a non-compete based on this particular statute. Now, it is important to understand that the non-compete ban does not prohibit non-solicitation agreements or disclosure of client-customer lists. So you can have an agreement with your employees, even your lower wage workers, that says you can't disclose to other people our customer or client list, or you can't go to another employer and then solicit our customers and clients to go follow you to that new employer. So those agreements will still be permitted. There is always the question of enforcement and how do you enforce it, but that's neither here nor there. The fact of the matter is non-competes are banned for anybody who's making less than $22.50 an hour now, and you can still have non-solicitation agreements. So if you would be so kind, I would really appreciate it if you could share this video around. Also, if you click the subscribe button you see there in the upper corner and click the bell, you'll get notifications when we have new content that is available. In the meantime, this is Matt Johnston signing off. Please go out and watch some live soccer. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.